Hi, neighbor.
Oh, hello.
I'm a wagged wubber of the wild and woolly west. Of all the things I haven't got, I white gold the best. Oh, it rained all night today, I wept. The weather is so dry. It was so warm, I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. I'm gonna get me watch of gold before victory.
Good evening, friends.
Hey, there's something awfully screwy going on around here.
What's up, Doc?
Well, one of the strangest things,
Boo! Hey, smart boy.
That's that screwy rabbit. Oh, well. Whoa! I've been working on the railroad all the long day. I've been working on the railroad to pass the time away. Whoa!
Pardon me, Doc, but, did you lose it?
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Gold, what with yellow gold? Where?
Oh, yeah.
Where?
Here.
Oh, that's nothing. Well, I got one here.
You took it, little rascal.
Come out, Mr. Rabbit. I have a little surprise for you. Don't laugh. I'll bet plenty of you men wear one of these. That's the last straw. I'll get that rabbit.
Hey, Doc. Hey, Doc, where are you?
Here I am.
Too bad. Too bad. Oh, well. Oh, bury me now. I'm the lone prairie. Oh-de-la-hoo, where the wild coyotes will howl on me. Oh-de-la-hoo. Gosh, ain't I a stinker? La-ta-ta-fee, la-ta-ta-ta-dum, la-ta-ta-ta, la-ta-ta-ta.
Rabbit, I came here for gold, and I'm gonna get it.
No, not that.
I got you. You weaker. Gold at west.
You weaker. Gold at west.